listener. Snuggle up tight, wiggle your toes, give a tiny giggle. This is Auntie B with another story, and this is a very silly one that'll make you giggle. Shall we begin? Story is about a purple monster with a noisy tummy and a very silly hiccup. Bibble was a tiny purple monster, not a scary monster, not a loud monster, but a sneezy, wiggly, giggly monster. One morning, Bibble woke up and hic, hic. Bibble blinked. Hic, hic. Oh no, said Bibble. I have a hiccup. And this is not a normal hiccup. This is such a noisy hiccup. Hic, bloop, bloop. Hic, bloop, bloop. A bubble popped out of Bibble's nose. Bibble stared. A bubble hiccup? Have you heard about this? Hic, boing, boing. Bibble bounced in the air. A bouncy hiccup? That's even worse. Hic, toot, toot. Hic, toot, toot. A tiny trumpet sound came from Bibble's tummy. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, but for Bibble, he found it very silly. He waddled to his mama monster and said, Mama, my hiccups go pop, boing, and toot. What do I do? Mama monster smiled. Why didn't you drink a big glass of water? Bibble drank glug, 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 glug. But again, hic, quack, quack, hic, quack, quack. A rubber duck popped onto Bibble's head. Mama monster blinked. Oh, that's new. I've never seen anything like this. So Bibble waddled to Dr. Owl. Dr. Owl, my hiccups are so loud. Can you do something about it? Dr. Owl adjusted his glasses. Oh, Bibble, I know what to do. You just have to say this 3 times. Bibble, banana, bubble. Bibble looked at the doctor and then took a deep breath. Ah, Bibble, banana, bubble. Bibble, banana, bubble. Bibble, banana, bubble. Hic, moo, moo. Hic, moo, moo. Oh dear, what's that? A cow, and it is saying moo? Dr. Owl fainted. Bibble waddled to Bunny and said, Bunny, can you help me? Of course, I know how to treat this. Do a silly dance. Come on, let's do it together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shake, shake, shake. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Spin, spin, spin. Hic. Pop, pop. Hic. Pop, pop. Confetti exploded everywhere and Bibble laughed so hard. Oh my God, this is so funny. This is so funny. I can't control my laugh. And suddenly, silence. Bibble blinked. No hiccup? Bibble gasped. Oh, they're all gone. My noisy hiccups have gone. Bunny said, oh yes, laughing fixes them always. Bibble jumped. I will laugh forever. That night, Bibble cuddled into bed. No hiccups, no bubbles, no ducks, just cozy snores. Hope he doesn't get the noisy hiccups tomorrow. Good night, little listener.